Many of us get trapped by the devil without knowing. And sometimes we feel very, very caged. And we don't realize that it's a matter of faith, a matter of understanding, a matter of belief, a matter of cleansing the heart, a matter of discipline that would actually release us from the cage. Subhanallah. So, how does shaitan, Satan, or the devil trap us? Number one, before we even talk about that, we have to go back to the beginning. The root cause of shaitan's hatred was jealousy. He became jealous, and as a result of the jealousy, he began to hate. And because of that hate, he started doing things. So right at the beginning, the Almighty created Adam, and the Almighty said, look, I've raised him above you. It was me, my choice. I'm the creator, the nourisher, the cherisher, the sustainer, the provider, the protector, the curer. It was my choice. I have raised him above you and above a lot of creation. Subhanallah. In whatever way I felt I wanted. And I want you to acknowledge that he has been given a status higher than yours. Pause for a moment. Let me fast forward to my life and yours. The Almighty created you and I. Some of us He's given things better than others. And sometimes we don't realize that we've all been favored in some ways above others, but not necessarily the same way. One might have wealth, the other one might have health. Someone might have both wealth and health, but they don't have as good looks. And good looks is relative, subhanallah. Everyone is good looking, to be honest with you. But it's relative. Relative means what people are used to within their own communities and societies becomes a norm. You know, there is nothing like this person is fat, or this person is thin, or this person is too this and too that. It's all relative. Relative means it depends what you've gotten yourself used to. May Allah grant us all good health. Ameen. I know some people who weigh 120 kilos and they are so healthy, healthier than some who only weigh 55. Subhanallah. Some of the sisters must be saying, what, 55, so much? May Allah forgive us. So my brothers, my sisters, it's something relative. Allah has bestowed upon you favor that He has not bestowed upon others in a specific way. Some may have wealth, they may have health, they may have good looks, but they don't have intelligence. They don't have wisdom sometimes, right? Some may not be able to achieve certain things. May Allah grant us all an understanding that He has definitely favored us. To recognize the favor of the Almighty is a great act of worship, my brothers and my sisters. This is why to think about it, to think about how the Almighty has favored you is also an act of worship. And to ponder over the gifts of the Almighty upon you is something that is a great act of worship. Anyway, now we go back to the devil. He did something that many people today do. They don't acknowledge the status given by the Almighty to another, and as a result they are jealous. Allah gave that person wealth and didn't give you the wealth. Well, to be honest with you, if that is the case, you need to say, I thank the Almighty for giving you, and I ask Him to give me as well.